My name is Freya Clayton and I study Fine Art, Photography and Film Studies at East Sussex College, Lewes. And I really love it because there's so much freedom and so much independence, which has meant that I've learned so much. I've learned about how to sort of organise the way that I sort of collect my ideas and put them out there, because I think coming from secondary school, you don't really have those skills. You just sort of know that you love like visual creative media, and college teaches you a lot about how to sort of be more mature in the way you express that, and like obviously technical skills as well. You don't get taught at all at GCSE art, and I didn't study photography at secondary school, so that was new to me from a technical point of view. And like having those technical skills gives you like the eloquence to express what you want in like a way that communicates your ideas much better. Yeah, so I've learned so much from that point of view. Yeah, Lewes is my favourite campus I looked at by far, because the art rooms are like huge and there's so many art studios, and they're also always open. So I have a lot of breaks in my timetable, and so I come in all the time and I'm just working on my own in the rooms, and like you have access to all the materials, and the campus is also just like there's always stuff going on and there's always people around, and yeah, I really like it. So I decided to submit a photo that I'd taken to the Young Artist Summer Show competition at the Royal Academy, and I actually submitted it on the last day that you could submit it, actually like before a lesson, so it was quite like, I did it very quickly, and I just picked out one of my favourite pictures that I'd taken for a recent project and wrote a quick description, sent it off, and then I heard back and I was like so shocked, because my passion is painting, and I just sort of did it really quickly. I didn't like have a picture of any of my paintings. I was like, photography, and I love photography, I really love it, but it was a real surprise, and it was so nice that somebody, like not my family, my friends, my teachers, saw potential in my work and thought it was worthy of being in the RA. And it was a great experience. Yeah, I went up for the grand opening, and I also went up with my friends who were in the picture, and yeah, it was amazing. I was still like not over it. Yeah, it was great. I would definitely recommend doing art here because it's brilliant. The tutors are amazing, there's so much freedom, and like within the course you study so many different things and you get to specialise as well. So those two elements are crucial. You need to be independent, but you also need to be guided through still life, portraiture, landscape. And there's so many spaces, there's so many facilities, and it's just a really nice place to study. Yeah, I've really enjoyed it.